Yeah. Yeah, we'll clap 3 times. Okay, actually only you do the clapping and it'll work. Alright, you do it. Alright, so we should be synced up.
Yeah, it's hard to like do it at the same time.
Yeah. Well, it's the first time we've ever even done it too. I feel like we should do some kind of like intro thing, but I'm not much of a moto vlogger, so I don't know what to say.
Yeah, I kind of tried to make one on my way over, but I don't know.
Probably be like, yo, what's up guys? What we're doing right now is we're at the Riley's Power Sports ride. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah.
Alright guys, all of you are missing out who aren't here. This is why you gotta follow the Instagrams. Wheelie! Nope, guess not. All my tires did was spin.
Yeah, dude, that was pretty gnarly. I saw it. Here, I got you. Woo, cheers, boy!
Oh, it's been so long! And my PSI is so high! My eyes are watering. Man, I should drop some PSI out of this thing, dude. It's like, it's so wobbly. I'm not used, it feels so much more unnatural to dip knee knockers on this one.
Yeah.
I can hear my chain, it's so loose, it's like kick, kick it, kick it. I gotta tighten that chain, like, probably won't bother doing it when I get home, but I gotta remember before the next time I ride, for sure.
I guess this guy up by you knows where we're going, huh?
Guess so.
I said, is it hard talking when you're in a wheelie?
Oh, not really. I just didn't really think about it. Were you talking to me in it? Maybe I just didn't hear.
No. It was just because you were like in the middle of doing it. You like were in the middle of talking and you kind of paused.
No, I don't remember what I was saying. Man, if these people are trying to run it, I'll smoke them, boy. Slow wheelie. We're getting over. I don't like riding with my visor down like when it's cold, but I also don't like having my eyes water, so. Where'd you go, Steven? I don't hear you.
I'm right behind you.
Nice. Wonder if Gxsr is doing wheelies back there.
What's that?
I wonder if Gxsr is doing wheelies out there. I gotta get some clout. I gotta record him so I can put his name in the title. I'll just get clout off of Kobe instead.
Damn, Kobe. Like always, at home on that S1000.
For real.
Oh yeah,
doing
boy.
fast wheelies too.
Oh, I know.
Real. On your left. My fairing's coming up right here. I just busted the zip tie, I guess. Chill a little bit. Everybody's getting over. Watch out on the semi. I guess we gotta go over.
I know this way because this is the way I go to the climbing gym all the time.
Oh yeah, I've been through here once, or maybe a couple times, maybe 3 or 4 times. I remember a little bit. Come on, guys, let me wheelie, bruh. Come on.
Come on, bros.
We just gotta slow down like 20 more miles an hour.
Gee, I'm gapping everybody.
Dang, bruh, you're fast. Faster than a BMW.
I'm a fast boy today. Gee, there's the poppy boy. Just raced Jared and won.
Oh, nice. Easy clap.
Yeah, right. I hope he doesn't blow that fucking exhaust hole out again.
It shouldn't. Welds are stronger than the metal that they're bonded to. The only thing that would probably happen would be that he cracks somewhere else in the headers.
Is that Gmar?
Yeah, that was. I thought that was Kobe at first. That thing was so high, dude.
That was good. Hell yeah.
Hopefully he knows where to go.
Oh, wait. Sorry. Shh. Be sneaky.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we gotta be quiet and sneaky.
Sneaky, 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 sneaky. It's so hard not to on this bike.
This looks like a parking garage, if I do say so myself. Maybe we're waiting for Gmar.
Alright, so the neutral races begin.
Your feet on the line.
Alright.
So y'all allowed to push once to get going. That's why you push on the line. You push from that line and then speed up roll.
So what, we're just going... Are we turning, or are we...
Yeah, you're turning.
So is he turning to the other side?
Yeah, y'all turning opposite directions. You're turning right, you're turning left. And then if y'all want to run again, you can turn, y'all can flip sides and do it. So me and her are going to go down there, and then I'll peek my head around the corner and give y'all a thumbs up, and then y'all can go.
So how far... We're just...
I'll flag y'all.
After we turn, we're only going like 2 things down?
Yeah, not very far, like equivalent from you to like here almost. Just go on through as far as you can, and like you'll know.
Okay.
Alright.
You're going down, boy. You're going down. This is how I'm gonna launch. I get a big ol', I'm gonna push it like a scooter.
Dude, you really use one leg?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a big ol' boost, bro. Nobody better steal my tactic. Come on, go! Come on now! Yeah! Yeah! Gotta cut the corner. That's not fair! Ah. Wow, you're a cheater, bro. Who won?
You almost caught him at the end. Look. He beat you by not even a full bike.
Damn it. Alright, we gotta do the 636 versus the 636, even though I lost. So technically I shouldn't be versing Jared because he's in the winner's bracket, but it really doesn't matter. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh shit. Hey bro, I was gonna fall. Yeah, well, I'm gonna probably turn this corner faster. Bro, this ain't fair, man. My axle's too tight. I lose again?
Dude, by like half a bike again, like so close. Because he had you so bad and you caught up so much on the turn.
I'm so good at the turn. I just need to use somebody else's bike. We got that pre-race beef.
Alright. Alright. Jared, up on the 636.
Yeah, Altum City.
Versus this dude
That guy sucks. I don't know who that is.
on the 750. We're out for blood. This
His-
is pink slips.
And straight out.
Pink slips?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It means I get your bike if I beat you.
This thing's a money pit. I don't care. Alright, I'm running straight for him as soon as we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait, can we only push once?
Wait, is Brendan ready?
Can we still only push once?
Yeah. Break, break.
Why is Renan ready? What's he about to do to me?
Ready, bitch.
Alright, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
This is a fast race. I'll tell you what. Yeah, you're not even going to get close to it. That's what it is.
Can I kick your bike? Oh. Sheesh. Oh. Hey, I still cross the line first. No, what? I crossed the line first. No, I crossed it. Bro, I got it right here. I know for sure. I know. No, you're a sore loser. You're trying to cover it up, bro. Does it matter?
You're on the finish line.
Since when does it matter? Y'all making up rules now. This whole time where that it's just the first person who you see the front of the bike.
That's kind of true.
Yeah, y'all trying to make up rules.
Yeah, I am. If I didn't tamper with you, I would have beat you anyways.
Yeah, because
I was purposely trying to let you get in front of me because my plan was to let you get a little bit in front and then do this. And like pull that. Launch it in front of you.
regardless who won the race, I won the sabotaging stuff, so get screwed because I hit your brake, so I win.
That was a good shot.
Yeah, I was like, yeah.